I got in manufacturing because I had an uncle that was in manufacturing, and he always, every 3 years, had a big nice truck, and I was 18 years old and I wanted a big nice truck, so I got into it and stayed in it for 30 years now. We produce components for robotics, components for aeronautics, components for clothing industry, components for heavy equipment, mostly just individual parts and pieces, cogs and gears. We work for ATI, which is a robotics manufacturer based out of Apex, North Carolina. We work for Equipment Supply, which contracts for the U.S. military complex. Turnkey Technologies, they're another manufacturer for government work. Active Robotics, we do a large majority of robotic work, component work, close tolerance stuff. We work a lot with the Haas mini mills, Haas VF4s, the Haas DT1s, the Herco VM1As, the Herco VMX30s, the Herco VMX40s, the Haas UMC 750, and then we go to the lathes, which we have two Haas, which one is a ST30 and a Haas SL10, and then a Herco TM8. We got a lot of people that have been here for decades, but we're a smaller shop. We're more family oriented than we would be a bigger corporation type shop, a larger manufacturing facility. So there's a lot of loyalty here. It's hard to find people with a skill set because when manufacturing went overseas, went to China, a lot of people got out of the industry. Now that it's coming back to the States, what you have is an influx of orders coming in. Even during COVID, we're able to stay way above the wire. I mean, we have backlog, we have orders now. We're working overtime when most people are laid off, and we can't find the people to fill those positions. If you take the classes at Stanley and you educate yourself towards this skill set, you pretty much have your foot in the door here at Magna Machining. I mean, we hire people, we need people. It's hard to find people, so we're always looking for good people and good education. It's rewarding work. It pays well. There's plenty of it, and it's a legitimate career.